I feel like every day is like a roller coaster. There's so many moving parts of opening a restaurant. When you are using a product that you trust and you are relying on their performance, you're gonna be focusing on other things that should be your top priority. You have beautiful and well-made equipment to make that happen. I'm Jamilka Borges. I am the chef owner of Wild Child here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I grew up in Puerto Rico, born and raised there, moved to Pittsburgh when I was 21. Being in Pittsburgh, being in landlocked city means that there's not that many places that are offering the kind of food that I cook. So when I moved here, I decided to start cooking food that reminds me of home. Empanadas, seafood, and that Caribbean flavor always come through in my cooking. Everything comes from scratch, so like that translates into how are we gonna run our restaurant. Plateware, it should not be an afterthought. It should truly be one of the most important components of planning into your restaurant or even your house. A beautiful plate that is gonna allow your food to shine, that is just going to last and make a good impression. Made in plateware is made for restaurant settings, but it's also accessible to the home cooks, and a year from now it's not gonna be obsolete. A plate that can let the food be what it is and be beautiful. Trying to be patient, try to have fun and enjoy it, but super lucky to have so many people rooting for me. I believe in what we're gonna be doing, so I'm excited.